Ever seen a phone that costs more than a luxury SUV? Well, let's find out why.
See, this device isn't about specs. It's about something way more profound. Meet the Caviar Golden Booster. It's a totally unique iPhone 17 Pro Max.
And get this, it actually solves one of the biggest flaws in smartphone design.
When you spend this much, unboxing isn't just opening a box. It becomes a ritual. Inside, you get a certificate proving you are the one and only owner. Even the SIM tool is gold-plated. And that key? Yeah, that's not just for show. But the real magic here is the engineering, which fixes a problem we all know.
You know how your phone never lies flat? That camera bump makes it wobble and tilt. So Caviar re-engineered the whole body with titanium and gold, so it sits perfectly flat.
They even engraved the owner's name right into the titanium, establishing its provenance.
Okay, but here's the most unexpected part, and it's hiding in plain sight. There is a real mechanical watch built right into this super digital phone. So you've got digital speed on one side and mechanical permanence on the other. Wild.
It's this contrast that sends a really powerful message about what actually lasts.
And this much storage? It isn't just for saving more photos or something like that. Think of it as infrastructure. It completely changes how this device is going to age. So instead of just losing value over time, it actually gains a new purpose. It's built to hold decades of your memories, basically becoming a digital vault.
So when you put all these different pieces together, you get something totally new. You're not holding a smartphone anymore. What you have here is a portable asset.
So is it crazy expensive? Of course. But you don't buy this for better phone calls.
You buy it for the sheer rarity. I mean, 8 billion people and just one of these.
Which leaves us with one final, pretty interesting question for you to think about.